Hey guys, it's me Rainbow Please and welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a server in custom PC Tycoon. So let's begin the video. Okay guys, so like I said, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a server in custom PC Tycoon. Of course, you're gonna need some diamonds. So if you guys don't know how to get diamonds, basically just go upgrade your shed and then go to the second floor. I mean buy the second floor and then buy all of these desks and then buy the shed. I mean basement. And then you go down here and then you buy server diamond for 100 diamond, but already buy it here. So yeah, if you guys don't know how to get what called diamond, just go here down here and then the what called convert gold ATM thing. So after you have diamonds, oh yeah, if you guys want to get more diamonds, basically just buy one of the PC parts and then put every piece random PC part. It still gives you diamonds. At least it it has one PC part. I mean like one what called diamond PC part in there. So yeah, first thing first, you need to go to advanced store or adv.store, and then you need to go right here where you see all of these servers. Yes. So first thing first, of course, we need to buy the power supply. This is a 500 power supply, so I'm just gonna buy it. Then we're gonna buy 24 times 2 terabyte hard disk. Dang, okay, I'm gonna buy that. Then I'm gonna buy high flow fans, one of that, and then heatsink cooler for the processor. I'm gonna buy that, and then the processor, of course, buy that. And I'm gonna buy one of them. I'll buy that, and then of course the motherboard that legit has 2 processor slot with 8 gigabyte, 8 sticks of RAM. That's insane. You can buy. So next thing is you need to buy the what called body to put the server in it. So of course you're gonna buy the server rack and the basic server unit. So I'm gonna put it in the screen like the cost of the diamond that you will need to make the what called server. So I'm just gonna put it.
Try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
So after you buy all of the server components or PC parts, you need to go down to your basement and then go to the workout. I think it's the, I'm just gonna say podium for server. So you go to the podium for server that you just buy for 100 diamond. Then click edit server and then add item. I'm gonna close that and then add basic prac server. And here you can customize the color. There's a lot of color. I'm just gonna go with white because it looks cool. And then next thing is we need the server unit. So here's the basic server unit. Okay, this is big. I actually never made this. So yeah, I'm just gonna color it same thing, white, and then that's thing. I'm gonna color it orange because it looks cool. And then next thing is you need to put the 24 2 terabyte hard disk. So just click on it and then boom. Damn, that's a lot of what space. So I'm just gonna color it let's say black with green. Yeah, black with greens. Okay, no, black with gray. Yeah, I love that. And then next thing is you need to put the high flow fans, which is for cooling down the hard disk because it gets hot. So yeah, and not gonna lie, these fans are very loud. And oh yeah, by the way, how do I know it's very loud? Because I actually have one, but it somehow dies because I over voltage it. So yeah, we're not gonna talk about that. But for the fan, yeah, it looks already cool. So next thing is we need the power supply, which is 500 watts, which is very big. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave that color, and then we're gonna put the motherboard. Okay, so for the motherboard, it's gonna be using 8 sticks of 4 gigabytes of RAM. That RAM is thick. Damn. And then we're gonna put the CPU, which is AMD Ryzen CPU, or I think AMD Ryzen, but they say it the Roblox way, so they don't get copyrighted. So you put 2 of those workout CPU, and then last thing is the heatsink cooler. So I'm just gonna put it right there, and then I think that's all. Nothing that I missed. I'm just gonna quick check. Yes, nothing that I missed. So I'm just gonna click done, and then boom, it's done. Now my problem is I don't know what the server do. Okay, not gonna lie, I don't know what does it do. I think it's giving I mean making me diamonds, I guess, but I am not sure. But I'm gonna buy more workout server components. Be right back. Okay guys, so I just realized that I cannot stack these server racks because when I see here, these two are empty, right? But when I added a server unit, it won't work because there's no room for this part. So I can say that for one server or a unit, it's very a big waste of workout space. It will be cool if you can just stack it up, but I guess the game doesn't even works like that. So I just buy another workout server podium plot. But yeah, it was a really fun. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video and know how to make a server now in custom PC tycoon. So yeah, I will be uploading another video, probably maybe like a fake PC tycoon game, because I already found one, but I don't think it's very good or maybe fake. But I'm gonna make that in another video. But yeah, thank you guys for watching and see you guys next time. Goodbye.